Mommy, there's some red. Maybe it's that red.
Maybe the red one?
This is the red one.
Is that the red one?
Come over here. Come over here.
Okay, Mommy, come over here. All right, good girl.
Mommy, come over here and smell.
You want Mommy to smell? That smells yummy. Smells very yummy.
I got blue.
You got the blue one? Does that smell good?
Does it smell good?
Yeah.
Come here, smells.
Come here, Smells. You like to smell?
Do you like to smell, Piper?
Say, yes, I like to smell.
I like to smell.
Yes, you do. You've been smelling these for quite some time.
Can Mommy have some green?
Oh, there you go.
Can Mommy have some green?
Mommy, smell it? Okay. That smells yummy. Good job, Piper.